Welcome back, YouTubers. In this episode I want to show you how I use FlashPrint to generate Gcode from STL files. So let's get to it. So let me load my FlashPrint here. Loading up. So now it's open. So this version of FlashPrint is 5.2. is a 60-bit. It comes with the Flashforge printer. I downloaded it and I installed it and everything else. So now you go file, load, and I have different files that I made and different softwares I made in OpenSCAD, and I also made in FreeCAD. I generated STL files. So this motor holder, I made it in OpenSCAD. So once it's here, you have different options. You can here your tools. If you want to move to the center on platform, you can rotate the object. You need to rotate, you can do here. Scale it if you want to scale it in the x-axis. That you can do that there. I'm not gonna do anything. You can cut. So you want to cut, I cut it. You can add support if you need to add supports. But in this case, we don't. If we move this up, move in the x-axis. Let's say we move 2 millimeters, and now we go to add supports. Then we'll add. See how we add it in the bottom? You can see back. And then once this is all done here, then I click start slicing. And I have this material PLA 175 start slice, and then once this is done, you can preview it. Preview here how it's gonna get printed, and then you go save local, save to local, and that gives you that GX. That's what the printer takes. So that's your Gcode there. And I usually save in the USB drive, and then I take to the printer and load it. And so that's all I want to cover today. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.